I wanna live, I wanna die. I be asking myself all the time in my mind, my heart hurts inside.
You put my heart in the cage, I'm not walking away, we're so close, yet so far. I'm reaching out to your hands, only you understand, we're so close, yet so far.
This girl told me that she's single, but she had another dude hit me up on Messenger, telling me don't fuck with her. I be like I didn't know that she was in a relationship. He asked me am I sure, I be like yeah, but I didn't know. She now fucking with my heart and soul, got a restraining order. I be like damn, why this shit over? My heart playing games, and I feel like she caused me pain. I know it was her. She be acting like she wanted me, but she had someone else. She's now just a whore, acting like she loved me, but I know it was a lie. Knew it from the moment in the time when she told me that she don't lie. Everybody lies.
You put my heart in the cage, I'm not walking away, we're so close, yet so far. I'm reaching out to your hands, only you understand, we're so close, yet so far.
And now I got my grandma laying on a gurney in a hospital, oh too low. I be feeling like I'm on the low, don't know what to do anymore. Now I'm feeling lost, now I got a lot on my mind. I feel like damn, now I gotta wait on that letter for a restraining order now. I feel like damn, then I remember when my ex stole my phones. Now I have to pay a lot of money now. Then I got the taxes, then I got the stuff coming up my back now. Now I'm talking like a $2,000. I don't know what to do anymore. Now my heart is hurting. I feel like my heart is damaged now. I feel like I am on the edge, and I might need to take this medicine, help me over. I be like damn, what the shit had to happen. Now my life feel like it's about over. What's the point of living? Tell me, giving me an
Put
answer.
my heart in the cage, I'm not walking away, we're so close, yet so far. I'm reaching out to your hands, only you understand, we're so close.